welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys the remake of How to Make an American Girl Doll yogurt. So in the last one you guys might have seen, it wasn't the best quality and we're really sorry about that. It was just because I didn't have like all the stuff to make it. It's good. So here is the remake of it. Make sure to check out our other American Girl Doll food hacks. I do have one that's going to be coming up, and let's get right into it. So first of all, you're going to need a little mini cup. So just, it can be American Girl Doll size and just like washing the bubbles out of it. Washing it out. So basically, it needs to be a little cup, and this isn't exactly American Girl Doll size, but it's kind of like, it's going to be kind of like a tub of it, I guess. I'm not really sure, but they can still drink out of the tub. But any container will really do. It doesn't really matter what you make it in, but these are really good for like if you make stop motions. And after a few days, like maybe like a week or something, it'll actually like dry, I think, but you can still, you can still take it out and like make it. So, we have our cup. Next thing you guys are going to need, it's optional, is these little beads. And I'm using these red and pink beads because I'm going to be making a strawberry one. So, after that, you're going to need the actual thing. So, I do have this banana shampoo, so I could make a banana one. I think I'm going to make some banana yogurt. But, you guys, you can use, like, body soap or anything like that. It just kind of has to be either lotion or soap. I wouldn't recommend using foam soap. Which is what that was. You get it now. But, okay. So now that everything's ready, also, to make it different colors, you can dye it. You can use food coloring or something. I'm not going to use that because I already have the banana shampoo, which is already yellow. So, yeah. So first what you're going to do is, I'm going to show you guys a better thing. I'll be right back. Okay, now that you guys can see a bit better, yes, I'm in my sink right now, but now we need to put, you can put as much as you want in there. I usually put like about a quarter filled maybe, because obviously we don't need to put so much. And obviously you could just like leave it like this. It's a bit watery actually, because I never use it. So, I'm going to add some of this, just this kind of like gel thing that I never use, just to make it a bit more thick, because before it wasn't that thick. So, now we are going to mix it together with this paintbrush. Obviously, the better option is to use a spoon, but if you don't, paintbrushes are great anyways. So yeah, now it's a lot thicker and stuff. And now for the beads. I was thinking of using them, but now I'm not sure if because I'm making this, a banana smoothie. But I guess I could just put them in as a banana and strawberry flavored one. So you kind of just plop those in there. You can mix them around, or you can just leave them. I think I'm going to mix mine. So, let me just do that really quickly. So you can barely really see them in there, but they do show up. And, yeah. So thank you guys so much for watching. By the way, make sure to like and subscribe. We only have 9 subscribers, and we'd appreciate it so much if you guys made it 10 or even more than that. So thank you so much for watching. watching this video. See you guys later.